Here are Alex, Remo, and Norman. This is Norman right here. Norman. Cutie pie. Look at me. Hey. Puppy. Oh boy. Hello. Hello. Hello, Norman. Here's a ball to play with. And that's Remo right there, the cafe puppy. Hey, Remo. Hi. Hi. You guys are so cute. Again, that's Norman. Norman and Remo might have some, well, we'll likely have some shedding. They both might tighten up later and not shed, but I can't guarantee they will. But the benefit to that is less grooming. And then there's Alex. Let's see. Hi, Alex. Puppy, puppy. Oh, they're adorable. Remo's playing with one. Norman wants to play with the camera. Hey, Alex. Let's see that pretty face. Wait. Stop. Oh. Alex has got the coat that doesn't shed. Ready, boy. Oh, look at you. God, all adorable. Very sweet. Had little children in here playing with them today. Didn't even get scratched up or anything. They loved it. Love kids. Hello. Hello. Alex, can we see your face? Let me see. What you got? Is this? Let me see. Oh, let's see that face. From Sheba and Seamus.